Service in Denver, Colorado has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for south central Weld County in northeastern Colorado until 4:00 p.m. At 3:27 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles east of Milton Reservoir, or 17 miles southeast of Greeley, moving north at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include southeastern Greeley, Kersey, Gill, Milton Reservoir, and Barnesville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A strong thunderstorm will impact western Arapahoe, northeastern Denver, and central Adams counties through 4:00 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 3:20 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm near Watkins, or 16 miles east of Denver, moving north at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, wind gusts of 50 to 55 miles an hour and a half-inch hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, gusty winds could knock down tree limbs and blow around unsecured objects. Minor hail damage to vegetation is possible. Locations impacted include northeastern Denver, Aurora, Denver International Airport, DIA Terminal and Concourses, Lac Bowie, Hudson, Bennett, Watkins, Manila Village, and Buckley SFB.
Oh, fun!
Prepare for sudden gusty winds. Secure loose objects and move to a safe shelter inside a building or vehicle. If outdoors, consider seeking shelter inside a building. This is NOAA All Hazards Radio. Your